Today, let's make delicious low-calorie tomato konjac noodles. Score the tomato and soak in boiling water for 5 minutes. Chop the green onions and garlic finely. Peel and chop the soaked tomato into pieces. Blanch Soeos Konjac Noodles for 30 seconds. Spray some oil in the pan and fry to eggs. Sauté chopped green onions and garlic in hot oil until fragrant. Add tomatoes and tomato sauce and continue to stir fry. Once softened, add boiling water and bring to a boil. Add beef balls, konjac noodles, greens, and fried eggs. Continue cooking. Finally, sprinkle with chopped green onions. If you like this dish or have other recipe requests, let me know in the comments. Follow for more tasty recipes. See you next time.